guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing a very powerful oil for hair, and these are the ingredients that we're going to use to prepare this oil. This is ginger and this is black pepper. You can see it. This is black pepper. You can see this is called cloves. This one is popularly known as star anise. It looks like a star and it has seed inside. It's called star anise. Okay, and garlic. Okay, so these are the ingredients we are going to use. This oil is also used for the prevention of dandruff, itchy scalp, and other scalp issues. This is a very powerful oil. You need this oil for your hair. So right now I'm going to start with washing the ginger, then grind this black pepper, cloves, and star anise. Okay, so let's move over to the video. So right now I've washed the ginger and the garlic, remove the garlic cloves and wash the garlic very well. So the next thing, I'm going to grate this ginger and the garlic with this grater. I got this grater from Chinese app Pinduoduo here. So if you need this, you can search it at Pinduoduo. So you have to check these holes, which one is suitable for what you want to use it for. So I'm checking the holes to know the one that I'm going to use for this preparation. Okay, so I have to grate this ginger and garlic into tiny pieces. Using ginger in preparing this hair growth oil, we don't need to peel out the back of ginger because it's also medicinal. We need all the content of vitamin in the ginger for our hair. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp, it stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair roots and follicles. The fatty acid, vitamins, and minerals present in ginger helps to strengthen the hair strands, which prevents hair loss. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps in hair growth. It's also used in fighting dandruff. Ginger nourishes hair follicles, keeps scalp health, and protects the hair from damage. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that helps kill germs and bacteria, which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. It prevents graying of hair, improves the health of scalp, prevents hair loss, promotes and stimulates hair growth. So after I'm done grinding the ginger and garlic, I put them together in one plate, then move over to the second section, which is grinding the seeds. So the seeds that we have here are cloves, black pepper, and star anise. So I'm going to put all these seeds together in my grinder and grind it into powdered form. Black pepper contains vitamin C, which helps you in cleaning your scalp and getting rid of dead skin cells from the scalp. Black pepper is packed with antibacterial properties that can help fight scalp infection, which in turn helps reduce hair fall. It improves hair growth, it minimizes breakage and thinning, and also slows down premature graying. Anise oil has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which aid in the eradication of scalp infections. It helps to get rid of head lice as well. It is the best treatment for scabies, flakes, and lice. It also helps in the treatment of dandruff and in repairing damaged hair. Star anise boosts hair growth, makes hair shinier, preventing hair loss and oiliness. Cloves stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which helps in hair growth. It's used to provide relief from itching in the scalp as it contains anti-itch ingredients. Alright, now I'm through with grinding and blending the ginger, garlic, and the seeds. We are going to move over to the next section of making the hair growth oil, and in this method we are going to use direct cooking but on a low heat, because you know that this ginger and garlic contains water in it, and if we try to use a double boiling method, it will take long before the water will dry. So I will use a direct cooking method but on a low heat, so that at least it will take like 3 to 5 hours before the water will dry up, because we need to make sure that there is no water in the oil. So guys, at this point I think I've talked so much explaining the ingredients we are using for this oil and its benefits. So I think right now I have to leave you guys to enjoy this video to the fullest. And please, if this is your first time or coming across my channel, please hit on that red button to subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please dissolve properly in the oil. And also I needed this oil to be clear and neat at the same time. So in order to make sure that there is no particles left in the oil, I have to get my tight sieve to sieve the oil again. Alright guys, it's time to apply this oil on my hair. I've washed my hair. As you can see, my hair is still wet. My scalp is clean. And I'm going to show you guys how to apply this oil. Look at this oil, guys. Look at this bottle. You can even see through the oil. Like, this is clean and pure. This oil is fully packed with all the vitamins that you need for your hair. It can be used to cure dandruff. It heals alopecia, reverse hair loss, block DHT, and regrow hair naturally. And one more thing, guys, as you drop this oil to your head, make sure you use your fingers to massage your scalp very well, because research has proven that scalp massage increases hair thickness by stretching the cells of hair follicles. This in turn stimulates the follicles to produce thicker and longer hair. So if you're able to watch this video to this moment, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and your love. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also follow me on my Instagram at @RealChinichinko. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye, kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah.